Welcome to my channel Watch It Learn. So viewers, in this video we will talk about applications of different sounds. Sounds are very important in our lives. We use many devices which produce different sounds. Sound of a doorbell indicates that someone is at the door. Sound of a telephone attracts our attention to attend the person on line. A siren warns us about danger. Some buildings are fitted with security system alarm. The alarm produces sound to alert people to the danger. Listen to your favorite singer using a stereo player. We listen to music, news, etc. on a radio. A smoke detector produces alarming beeps on detecting smoke of fire. So viewers, these are different applications of sounds and these devices which produce different sounds. I hope so you understood this simple concept about applications of different sounds. For more informative and latest video, kindly subscribe my channel and stay connected with me. Goodbye.